Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is August 14th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest happenings in the world of cryptocurrency, blockchain, and Web3. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Bitcoin is making waves as it trades above $59,000, with significant inflows into Bitcoin ETFs, particularly from BlackRock, marking its largest inflow day ever. This shift in demand dynamics is notable, with 75% of Bitcoin held by long-term holders, showcasing strong market confidence. As Bitcoin approaches its fourth halving in about 52 days, it's only 12.16% below its all-time high, a stark contrast to previous cycles, where it was down over 60% at this stage. The introduction of Bitcoin ETFs is seen as a game-changer, suggesting that the current market cycle may not follow historical patterns. Despite some concerns about the market cycle, data indicates that long-term holders are not significantly selling their assets, and the futures market is now dominated by institutional players rather than retail traders. Retail interest remains subdued compared to previous bull runs, as evidenced by lower Google search trends and app rankings. The ETF story is just beginning, with substantial assets under management yet to be allocated to Bitcoin. The upcoming halving is expected to be a significant event, not only in terms of supply reduction, but also as a marketing opportunity for Bitcoin education among major asset managers. Overall, there's optimism about Bitcoin's trajectory, with potential for a new all-time high as it gains recognition as a hedge against fiat debasement. The Sentient Protocol was recently unveiled at the OpenAGI Summit, introducing an open-source AI monetization framework aimed at fostering community-built artificial general intelligence, AGI. This protocol features a novel concept called model loyalty and utilizes the OML format, allowing AI models to be open, monetizable, and loyal. The initiative addresses the current AI landscape, where dominant models have exploited public goods without compensating contributors, leading to closed-source monopolies and stifled innovation. The Sentient Protocol aims to create a new ecosystem that encourages open-source AI development, while providing a means for developers to monetize their contributions and ensure ethical usage. It operates on a blockchain framework that includes contracts for ownership, usage, and rewards, alongside decentralized control mechanisms. The OML cryptographic primitive underpins the protocol, enabling models to be downloaded while tracking their usage and ensuring compliance with ethical standards. Additionally, the protocol is designed to be modular, allowing integration with other OML implementations and decentralized networks. The team is also developing AI-native cryptography methods to enhance model security and ownership verification. A comprehensive white paper detailing the protocol is forthcoming, and interested parties are encouraged to sign up for updates through the Open AGI Research Discourse platform. In the Memecoin market, a thread compares the platform Pump.Fun to OpenSea, criticizing OpenSea for its poor user experience and management, suggesting it exploited users while executives profited. In contrast, Pump.Fun is praised for rapidly delivering features that engage users and potentially increase profits. However, there's a warning that users may end up disappointed as Pump.Fun could amass significant profits, leaving them with unrealized gains. The thread highlights the challenges traders face in a competitive market, where making profits often means taking from friends in the same trading circles. It reflects on the concept of a flight to quality, noting that while it sounds appealing, users often continue to gamble on new, riskier coins. Various meme coins like Bonk, Whiff, and Billy are mentioned, indicating the difficulty in making informed bets in a volatile environment. The belief is that liquidity consolidation is more reliable on Ethereum compared to Solana, where the market is more chaotic. Overall, the thread emphasizes the complexities and risks of investing in meme coins during this cycle. An article from Equilibrium Labs discusses the future of privacy infrastructure and blockchain technology, emphasizing the potential of multi-party computation, MPC, as a key solution. It argues that current privacy solutions in blockchains are limited and primarily cater to specific use cases like private payments or voting. The authors suggest that a more robust privacy infrastructure is necessary to expand blockchain applications beyond speculative uses, highlighting the importance of hidden states and logic in various applications. The article outlines three main hypotheses regarding the evolution of privacy infrastructure: the need for abstraction of cryptography from developers, the necessity of shared private states for many applications, and the benefits of larger shielded sets for maximizing privacy. It critiques existing privacy technologies like zero-knowledge proofs, ZKPs, and fully homomorphic encryption, FHE, noting their limitations in expressivity and ownership of private states, respectively. MPC is presented as a promising alternative that could enhance privacy guarantees and allow for shared private state computation without a single point of failure. However, the article also raises concerns about the maturity of MPC technology, the risks of collusion among parties, and the communication overhead associated with its implementation. The authors conclude that while MPC may be the endgame for privacy infrastructure, it is essential to consider various approaches and trade-offs, as not all problems require the same solutions. They advocate for a nuanced understanding of privacy technologies and their implications in the blockchain space. In a recent thread, Loilu discussed the inception and purpose of Wrapped Bitcoin, WBTC, which was launched in 2018 to enhance liquidity in the decentralized finance DeFi space on Ethereum. At that time, DeFi was still nascent, with low trading volumes and limited liquidity. Lu and his team recognized the need to integrate Bitcoin liquidity into the ecosystem, leading to discussions with BitGo's CTO, Ben Chan, who supported the initiative. They opted for a centralized custodian model to simplify the process and mitigate technical risks, with BitGo managing off-chain operations and Kyber focusing on smart contracts and community outreach. The team chose the neutral name Wrapped BTC to emphasize its public good nature, rather than associating it with any single entity. The launch garnered support from various high-profile DeFi projects, and WBTC has since grown to hold around $9 billion in total value locked, TVL, becoming the leading Bitcoin token on Ethereum and other EVM chains. Lu attributes WBTC's success to its community-centric approach, clear trust mechanisms, and being a first mover in the market. However, recent changes made by BitGo have raised concerns about the trust and stability of WBTC, prompting Lu and his team to seek clarification on BitGo's motives. They plan to address these issues in an upcoming discussion with industry figures. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these insights into the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology both informative and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates and analysis. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring the world of crypto.